This is Justin with Mobility of Denver. I'm going to do a little walk around virtual presentation for you here. This is the 2014 Toyota Sienna VMI NorthStar. It's in good shape overall on the exterior. I'll point out if there's any dings, dents, or scratches. There's a little scratch right here. Otherwise, it's in good shape. This Arctic white color. We've got backup sensors, backup camera. Tires are good on this one. Got some tread here. Skirts are in good shape there. The previous owner had some clear coat protection put on there. So on those back rocker panels where they get rock chips, that's protected for you. Overall, nice vehicle here. This is the VMI NorthStar conversion, like I said, so it's the largest minivan conversion option. The in-floor ramp there with a 14.9 inch drop allows for a lot of room. Okay, so how this works is as long as the vehicle is open, you can press and hold this button here. That's going to activate the door opening sequence here. The vehicle is going to open up, the ramp's going to come down, and then the vehicle is actually going to lower as well. It's called the kneeling feature. So you can see that lowering down there. It's going to reduce your ramp angle to be about 9 degrees, so even a manual chair can get up into the vehicle. Nice in-floor ramp, like I said, at least 30 inches wide, so it'll fit just about every wheelchair. This cut back here allows for the wheelchair to turn around 360 degrees. That's why it's called the Access 360. You've got a footrest back here. It actually pops down. A lot of these are broken. This one looks like it's in good shape. Seats are in good condition. Looks like maybe just a little mark there. Floor is in good shape. It's the Durafloor rubberized flooring. Both of these pedestals come out. I have pictures of that on my website there. So you can have a full-size power wheelchair up front. Overall, like I said, leather's in good shape too. Maybe just 1 or 2 little marks. Otherwise, this vehicle is ready to go. Get it started up for you so you can see that. You've got a touch screen here as well with the navigation. And then this one has the backup camera as well. So that light will keep flashing green until it's finished raising back up. Once it stops, that means you're good to go. You can put it in drive or park, reverse, like we're doing here, so that way you can see the backup camera there. You've got both sets of keys for it here, and then you've got your owner manual right in the box. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you need anything else.